to the vlog. It is another day and it is another vlog. It is super early in the morning. Hi Sophia, how are you today? Tired. Nobody woke her up this morning. She had to wake up on her own. So she's a little tired. Alright, so we are starting the vlog super early. Try to get as much stuff into my day as possible. I have blood work. Bleh. I have a blood draw to go to, and that's my biggest thing for today.
And Daddy has a chiropractor.
Oh yeah, Daddy has a chiropractor appointment. So we've got all of that stuff to do today. So yeah, let's get going. Alright, have a good day. Bye honey. And just like that, we are done with the blood work. It took me 5 minutes. From the time that I got in to the time I left, it was 5 minutes. That is the quickest that I have ever had blood work done. Like, there was nobody in there. Maybe like 2 people were sitting. Like 2 people were sitting in the waiting room, and that was it. And there were 2 people ahead of me signing in. So crazy. And I had an appointment for 9:15 and it was 9:15, so my name went to the top of the list. They called me and I was in less than 5 minutes. Usually it's crazy packed and we're in there for 45 minutes to an hour because I don't usually make appointments. So I was like, I'm gonna make an appointment so that we can get in and not have to wait such a crazy amount of time. But I didn't, guess I didn't really need one. We did a little bit of shop-a-lopping. We needed some snacks. The kids have been complaining about not having snacks. So we went to Save-A-Lot, which is where I like to pick up the snacks because the bags of chips are much cheaper than they are at Walmart or anything. And they have graham crackers and regular crackers and cookies and stuff. So that's usually where I end up picking up my snacks. I feel bad because my cart is like always 50% bags of chips. And the other half is, well, maybe like more like 90% and 10% whatever else. But yeah, Travis is telling you guys. We tell him.
Donuts.
We are both hungry. I have not eaten yet because I did blood work this morning and didn't have time to eat before we left. And we're hungry, so we got donuts. I got donuts. Now we're just gonna eat donuts on the way home. You know that moment, mothers, when you're trying not to get angry at your children for doing something silly outside? Yeah, this is happening right now. Let's look at this. I'm not entirely sure what you guys are thinking. What are you doing?
Making me a mermaid.
Why?
Because I don't want to erase this. Yeah. No, it's not. See? Her fin. Her body.
Make sure you put the hole back.
You will.
Fix the hole. Yeah, so that's happening right now. What's happening where you are?
So guys, I'm out here with my siblings and I just buried Anita and she's right there. Oh, that's fine. She's a mermaid. So I'm about to take the shovel right over here and just do this along her so you can see the actual detail. Now you can go ahead and stand up. Wait, give me a sec.
Alright, taco salad, guys.
I'm nervous. Look at that dude. He's just going for the chips.
It's good. You put some cheese on that chip?
Yep.
Come on, Sophia. I promise lettuce doesn't taste like anything.
Yeah,
No, eat it with everything else. You don't want to eat it by itself.
I should have just shoved them in your mouth.
Oh, it's good by itself. Stick a chip in there with it.
Okay. Okay. 2 chips. God, no, like that.
No, you're 8. I don't play that game with you. Just stick it in
You
there.
do.
You ate it?
I ate
Did it taste like anything?
it.
Holy fart. Someone got so nervous and farting.
It didn't taste like anything, did it, Audrina?
No.
It's just a piece of lettuce.
No.
If you stick some meat and some rice on there, it tastes really good.
What? It's good, Sophia?
Can you taste anything? No.
I'm not very soft.
It is. It's soft. Just chew it up and swallow it down.
Oh. I went to it a little.
It's just a little bit of flavor and it tastes good.
Yeah, the flavor is warm.
Mama, make it more cheese in my chip.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. I'm a delicacy with cheese.
Taco sandwich?
It's a taco sandwich.
Taco.
Taco salad sandwich?
Taco. Taco.
She just made a taco with her tongue.
Oh.
Taco. Taco dog.
Do a victory dance.
And I do a sad dance.
You're gonna do a sad dance? Audrina's doing a victory dance because she completed all of her dinner, even the lettuce. So she did good. And Sophia doesn't want her lettuce. So.
It's gross. Mama said gross.
It's not gross.
Mommy.